Hey guys, back for another quick vid. Today I'm going to start ripping out this fuel tank. By the look of it, there's a couple of screws on top. Looks like there's 4 on the bottom. So we'll get along, get that going. So run it on the 4 top screws, and these just lift up out of the way. Okay, got to do the bottom screws now. Always do them a crisscross with everything. Charging me drill at the moment, so got to use a screwdriver. It's starting to come loose. Alright, bottom screws are done. So how does this come out? Okay, got to remove the shaft. Wow. There you go, didn't know that. So this is why you pull cars apart. So you learn these things. It's broken. Just got it. Oh, that's tight. I don't think that's been off for a while. Oh. Must have had a bit of Loctite on it, I would say. So the best thing for you to do, also I've noticed, these are the chassis screws. These are the diff screws, they're a lot longer. And also guys, get yourself a plastic cup or container and put all your parts in there. It'll save you a headache a lot later on. So the rear diff's out. Just take the whole rear end out. Okay, so what have we got here? Just sits in there like that. So you got a bearing, small bearing, big bearing, then the spiral gear. So you got grease in there, so I'm gonna clean all that up. I got myself some Team Fast Eddie grease from GDM. I've never tried it before, so Buttergel highly recommends it, so I'm going to give it a go, see what it's like. So I normally use casserole grease, but why not give it a go, try new things. Now for the front, your skid plate, so there's 4 screws there, pretty much the same as the rear by the look of it. 4 screws, steering screws and diff screws. And then we'll have to do something for the top as well. So what happens when you forget to charge your drill? Anyway, I don't mind doing it by hand anyway. But by the looks of it, there's not really much to the MCD. It's a different design, but it's virtually like every other car really. You remove the front and rear diffs and arms. That's how I work out how to pull a car apart. Start off with the rear and front diffs and then go from there. Everyone does it differently, but that's how I do it. Seems to work out fine. Then you just remove your swing arms by, there's a bolt there and a nut on top. Also, anything like that has a bolt and nut, I like to put it back on there. That way you know exactly what it's for. These are for the swing arms, so turnbuckles, whatever you want to call them. Now that's all the bolts and screws from the bottom and the top. So I'm hoping she should just slide out if I've got everything. Right, hang on a sec. Hang on. Missed two down the bottom. Now I'm just removing the plate on top. Put your brakes. That way I can have a better look at what's going on in here. So that's how she all moves. Get a disc brake each side. Cool. Actually, I really like that way that's set up. Look at those spiral gears go. There's your front plate, top plate. So it all works together. I like the steering too. Really nice steering setup. Very different. Anyway guys, I'll leave you with that today. I'll get the rest of this pulled out and get it all polished up and cleaned out. But yeah, it's pretty basic. So I'm actually quite happy with the way it's set up. It's actually easy to get to everything. And yeah, I like it. Also guys, with the turnbuckles, I've made up a design for the racer. So here's your standard. I'm still waiting on parts for the actual steering turnbuckles themselves, the bushes. They've ran out, so I've ordered more. But here's your stock standard. It's on the basher, and I've put these on here on the racer. So I'm pretty happy with that. Everything seems to have worked out really nice. Nice and chunky. Got chrome molly rod ends. There's your rears. So I've just got to do some more testing at the track, because we were supposed to do practice this Sunday, but we've had rain all week, so the track's too wet. hopefully get some more practice in soon. But I need to get these on the track, but it's okay because the supplier ran out of the bushes, so he's ordered more for me, so I should have them in next week anyway, and then we can finish it off the steering and take this for the track. But they all seem to be working really well, so I'm very happy with the way they turned out. Still got to name them yet. We'll get them named and anodized and 001, 002. That's how we'll number them. That way you know what number you get. Anyway guys, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. If not, that's fine. Do whatever you want to do. Anyway guys, cheers. See you next time. Bye.
Nibble.